Wealth Wednesday with Brent Wilsey, president of Wilsey Asset Management.
Good evening. I'm Brent Wilsey, president of the investment firm Wilsey Asset Management. Well, the Nifty 50 and tech bubbles, they've taught us lessons. And again, if you don't understand history, well, you're doomed to repeat it and fail. Well, the Nifty 50s, that's back from the 70s, 73, 74. The tech boom was the late 90s, ended in that 2000. And the thing you don't realize is that these are cycles, and we're in a cycle now. Cycles don't last forever, and you have to understand, as I said, if you don't understand what happened in the past, you think this is fine. And think about this. I mean, the tech boom, again, 2000, that's about 26 years ago. If you're 50 years old now, you were 24 back in 2000, you probably weren't investing. You probably had other things in mind, finishing college, new job, whatever. So things change, and you have to look at history and go back to the 70s for the Nifty 50, as it was called. Now, and the tech boom and bust, the NASDAQ, think about this, lost 80%. Now, that means if you had $100,000, it was worth $20,000. Most people, if not all, probably sold out when it went from down 30, 40, 50%. They probably sold out at that point in time. And people say, well, that was different because those companies were not making money. That is incorrect. Actually, in the NASDAQ was Microsoft, Intel, Cisco. These companies were making money, but they were overpriced. And here's the thing. Investors got the technology right. Yes, the dot-com is still here. Yes, technology is still here. But what they miss is they miss that the valuation of what they're paying for something. They think it's going to go on forever. And that's what we're in right now with AI. Yes, AI is here to stay, but it's the valuations of what you pay for. And I remember back in the 90s, a broker told me that the broker knows the price of everything and the value of nothing. And that's true for many investors now. Is you know the price of everything. You know what Nvidia's worth, you know what Apple's worth, but you don't know the value of the future. And don't think this is going to go on forever, because it is not going to go on forever. And again, when you look at things that just don't add up, there's so much out there, you've got to look at history. And again, same thing in Nifty 50. Again, back in the 70s, 73, 74, if you invested $100,000, by 1975, that $100,000 was worth $63,640. To get back to break even, it was a 57% return just to break even. And I also tell people, again, it takes time with inflation. We call it an inflation-adjusted return, because $100,000 in 1973 was not worth $100,000 in 1980. So to break even, many times it takes 10, 15 years. At inflation, it could be even longer. And when you buy these individual companies, the losses can be much higher. Again, like Microsoft, Intel, Cisco, I mean, they were down 50 to 80%. If you're doing individual stocks, you too could see your stock drop 40, 50, 60% as well. And the Nifty 50, they were told at that time, just buy these good quality companies, hold them forever. Don't worry about what they're trading for, just hold them forever. Well, those included companies like Coca-Cola, IBM, Polaroid, which by the way is no longer around, Xerox, Sears, also no longer around. And you say, well, of course not. But back in the 70s, Sears was a huge company. It was like Amazon today. And things don't last forever. You have to understand what the value of something is. If you don't understand the value, you're going to have difficulties, because you won't know when to sell, when to buy. And again, this could happen tomorrow. It could happen next year. But make no mistake, we are in a market cycle that is very expensive, like the Nifty 50 and the tech boom. Understand history. If you don't, you're going to fail by not understanding it. Thanks for watching. For more information, go to my website, smartinvesting2000.com, smartinvesting2000.com. Have a great evening. We'll talk more next week.
This has been Wealth Wednesday, sponsored by Wilsey Asset Management.